Welcome to Tech Genius Hub. Today we're embarking on an extraordinary journey through Middle-earth with the help of AI art. Using DALL-E 3, we've brought to life 8 iconic cities from the legendary world of The Lord of the Rings. Join us as we explore these magnificent creations, blending fantasy with the cutting edge of AI technology. First, we visit the serene and lush landscapes of the Shire. Here, DALL-E 3 captures the peaceful rolling hills and quaint hobbit holes that are the hallmark of Hobbiton. Notice the vibrant greens and the cozy, earth-covered homes that define this idyllic land. Next, we journey to Rivendell, the last homely house east of the sea. Observe the elegance and grace of this elven city, with its intricate architecture and the stunning waterfalls that surround it, all rendered beautifully by AI. Our path then takes us to Minas Tirith, the White City. The AI art showcases the grandeur of this city, with its towering walls and levels ascending up the mountainside, a true symbol of human resilience and architecture. We delve deep into the mines of Moria. The AI depicts the once great dwarven city, with its vast caverns and ancient stonework. The play of light and shadow adds a sense of mystery and forgotten glory. Behold Lothlórien, the Golden Wood. DALL-E 3 illustrates the ethereal beauty of this elven realm, with its golden malern trees and the shimmering leaves that seem to glow under the moon and stars. Next is Edoras, the capital of Rohan. The AI brings to life the rugged beauty of this city, set against rolling plains and distant mountains. The mead hall of Meduseld stands proudly at its center. Isengard, once a place of beauty, now a fortress of Saruman the White. The AI art captures the industrialized transformation of this city, with the ominous Orthanc Tower rising at its core, surrounded by the devastated lands. Finally, we gaze upon Mordor, the land of shadow. The AI illustrates the desolate, fiery landscape dominated by Mount Doom, the ever-watchful eye of Sauron looming in the background, a testament to the power of evil in Tolkien's world. With DALL-E 3, we've seen a unique blend of Tolkien's vision and AI creativity, bringing these iconic cities to life in ways we've never seen before. If you've enjoyed this magical tour of Middle-earth cities, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Genius Hub for more AI art explorations. Stay tuned for more into the realms of fantasy and technology.